Plus, Dr. Dina Dell shows us a new way to look years younger.
The news is next.
This is ABC 7 News at 11.
I'm Dr. Dina Dell. Coming up, want a facelift without going under the knife? I'll tell you how.
It also ahead the new way to look 10 years younger.
I want the outside to match the energy that I have inside.
In a special report, Dr. Dina Dell reveals a dramatic new way to remove wrinkles.
This is ABC 7 News at 11.
Admit it, who doesn't want to look a little bit younger than they do?
You do not need to do that or worry about that. You know, a San Francisco plastic surgeon has pioneered a new facelift that dramatically reduces the pain and the recovery time in half. ABC 7's Dr. Dina Dell has the story in this special report.
48-year-old Linda Hall says she wants her outside to reflect how she's feeling inside these days.
I want the outside to match the energy that I have inside. And I think the two in sync will just information for me.
The lines on my forehead, here.
She's conferring with Dr. Michael Kulik about new surgical options to smooth facial lines and remove loose skin and tissue on her face and neck.
It's an operation that will take back 7 to 10 years of aging on your face. It's a safer operation in my hands than the conventional procedure, and it offers you an opportunity to go back to work in a shorter period of time and fewer notices in terms of looking pulled.
Instead of a scalpel and scissors, the surgeon will use a laser to divide tissue. Blood vessels are sealed as the laser cuts, meaning there's less bleeding and the surgeon can be more precise.
And because the laser eliminates bleeding, post-operative bruising and swelling is reduced by half, and the possibility of blood clots and nerve damage is also lower.
It's actually, most patients take extra strength Tylenol or nothing after the operation.
Hall will undergo a facelift, a forehead lift, and a brow lift.
Most of the people that complain about aging don't like the nasolabial fold there. In order to make this part smooth, doctors had to pull very hard.
That can produce an artificially tight mask look. Instead, Dr. Michael Kulik will lift the face from the cheekbone area. The placement of incisions is also different.
With my particular technique, I don't make any incisions behind the ear because I don't have to pull back.
Look terrific.
1 week post-surgery, Hall's results are dramatic, with minimal bruising and swelling. 2 weeks post-procedure, even less swelling. Hall looks like herself, only younger. 1 month post-surgery, Hall is pleased with the results.
I'm just so happy I did it. This is so much bigger than just about the physical. The physical is a great result, but it's such a change of your whole life. It is a new you, and it's a new you inside too. You feel differently.
Hall will notice optimum results from her surgery in 6 months when residual swelling subsides. I'm Dr. Dina Dell.
Obviously looked great before, but she does look a whole lot younger now. But turning back the clock is not cheap. Linda's facelift cost about $10,000. Yet she says it is worth every single penny.